Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mindverse. Tonight, we're not here to explore the dangers of black holes or the mysteries of dark matter. Instead, we're taking a journey into the breathtaking beauty of the cosmos. When you look up at the night sky, you see tiny twinkling dots, but hidden beyond what our eyes can capture are places so dazzling, so unreal, that even the most powerful telescopes struggle to reveal their full glory. These are the wonders of the universe, places that prove nature is the greatest artist of all. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into 10 of the most beautiful places in the universe. Our journey begins with the Orion Nebula, located about 1,300 light-years away. This is a giant stellar nursery where stars are born. Imagine an enormous cloud stretching across space, glowing in radiant shades of purple, pink, and orange. It's one of the brightest nebulae in the night sky, and if you could fly through it, you'd see newborn stars igniting inside cocoons of gas and dust. For astronomers, it's not just a pretty sight, it is a living laboratory where the cycle of star birth unfolds right before our eyes. The Orion Nebula is like a cosmic canvas, painted with colors we can hardly describe. From there we travel to the Andromeda galaxy. At a staggering 2.5 million light-years away, Andromeda is the closest spiral galaxy to our Milky Way. Stretching over 220,000 light-years across, it holds more than 1 trillion stars. When viewed in full detail, its sweeping arms swirl gracefully around a glowing golden core, almost like a celestial whirlpool frozen in motion. What makes Andromeda even more fascinating is that billions of years from now, it will collide with our own galaxy. But right now, from a distance, it's one of the most spectacular jewels of the night sky. Now let's turn to something more haunting. The Cat's Eye Nebula. About 3,300 light-years away, it's one of the most complex nebulae ever observed. When a star like our Sun nears the end of its life, it sheds its outer layers, forming glowing shells of gas. But the Cat's Eye is unique. It has multiple rings, intricate patterns, and a glowing blue-green core, giving it the appearance of a giant cosmic jewel. Its symmetrical shapes almost look like the work of an artist rather than nature. The Cat's Eye is both beautiful and bittersweet, a reminder of how stars live, die, and create beauty even in their final moments. From haunting elegance we move to something iconic, the Pillars of Creation. These towering structures lie inside the Eagle Nebula, around 6,500 light-years from Earth. They are colossal columns of gas and dust, stretching light-years tall, with stars being born deep inside them. When the Hubble Space Telescope first captured them in 1995, the image stunned the world. The golden towers rising against a backdrop of blue and black looked like something out of a dream. But here's the twist. Some scientists believe these pillars may already have been destroyed by a nearby supernova thousands of years ago. Yet because of the immense distance, their light is still reaching us, allowing us to admire a beauty that may no longer exist. Next, we arrive at a spectacle of destruction and beauty, Cassiopeia, a supernova remnant. Around 11,000 light-years away, this is what remains after a massive star exploded. Expanding clouds of gas and dust glow in brilliant shades of red, blue, and green, creating a cosmic firework frozen in time. Supernovae are terrifyingly powerful, but they are also essential for life. They spread heavy elements like iron, carbon, and oxygen into space, the very elements that make up our bodies. When we look at Cassiopeia A, we're not just seeing beauty, we're seeing the story of creation itself. Let's return a little closer to home, to one of the most visually stunning sights in our solar system, Saturn. Known as the jewel of the solar system, Saturn's rings make it unlike any other planet. Composed of countless icy particles, they shimmer in the sunlight, creating a dazzling spectacle. When the Cassini spacecraft orbited Saturn, it revealed details we had never imagined. Gaps, ripples, and even tiny moons embedded within the rings. Sometimes, sunlight casts shadows through the rings onto the planet's golden surface, creating a scene so breathtaking it's almost surreal. If you could stand on one of Saturn's moons and gaze up, the view of the planet and its rings would be one of the most extraordinary sights imaginable. From Saturn's calm elegance, we shift to the mysterious Horsehead Nebula, located about 1,500 light-years away. It's a dark nebula shaped uncannily like the head of a horse, silhouetted against a glowing background of pink hydrogen gas. The contrast between darkness and light makes it one of the most striking images in space. The Horsehead Nebula almost looks like a sculpture carved by hand, a masterpiece hanging silently in the cosmos. It's one of those objects that reminds us how even randomness in the universe can create perfection. Now, let's not forget something you can see right from Earth. The Milky Way stretched across the night sky. In remote places with no city lights, the Milky Way appears as a glowing river of stars flowing across the heavens. Billions of suns blend together into a soft band of white light, punctuated by dark clouds of interstellar dust. Ancient cultures saw it as a celestial river, a bridge to the heavens, or even the backbone of the night. Today, even with our knowledge of astronomy, the sight of the Milky Way still overwhelms us with its sheer beauty. To stand beneath it is to feel both infinitely small and deeply connected to the universe. Let's imagine something even more distant. Exoplanets, worlds beyond our solar system. One fascinating example is Kepler 452b, often called Earth's cousin. It orbits a star similar to our Sun, in the habitable zone where liquid water might exist, while we don't yet have actual pictures of it. Artists' impressions show a stunning world of blue oceans, green landscapes, and skies filled with clouds. The thought that planets like this exist out there is breathtaking. Imagine standing on the shores of a distant alien sea, watching two suns rise together, or seeing colors in the sky we can't even imagine. The possibility of such beauty is enough to inspire endless wonder. Finally, we come to the Whirlpool Galaxy, also known as M51, located about 31 million light-years away. It's one of the most photogenic galaxies ever discovered. With its nearly perfect spiral arms wrapping around a glowing center, it looks like a painting of galactic elegance. What makes it even more spectacular is that a smaller galaxy is interacting with it, tugging at its arms and creating streams of stars that glow across space. It's like watching a cosmic dance, a ballet that's been going on for millions of years. The Whirlpool Galaxy is proof that even on the largest scales, the universe is filled with harmony and beauty. And so, our journey comes to an end. From glowing nebulae and towering pillars, to galaxies swirling in perfect symmetry, to planets that may mirror the beauty of Earth, the universe is a treasure chest of wonders. Each of these places reminds us of one simple truth, that beauty is not limited to Earth, it's written into the very fabric of the cosmos. When we look at these distant marvels, we're not just staring at stars and gas, we're looking at creation, destruction, rebirth, and the infinite possibilities of existence. The universe is vast, mysterious, and often overwhelming, but it is also unimaginably beautiful. And maybe, one day, humanity will stand on other worlds and witness these wonders with our own eyes. Until then, through telescopes and imagination, we can continue to marvel at the masterpiece of creation that surrounds us.